Hi guys, my name is Samira. Love is the beauty of life. Let's spread it. Welcome to today's tutorial. I'm making stylish basket top and we are going to cut it together. I want you to stay with me to the end. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe, share, like and comment. Please comment the interesting things that you are working on. You can drop it in the comment section below. Hey, don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. If this is something that you love watching, please keep on watching this particular tutorial to the end. And if you have your fabric there with you, bring it out. Let's cut this style together and let's dive in now. To make this tie, first I'll be folding my material into 4 pieces as you can see me doing in the video. So you need to fold your fabric the way I'm folding it, and I'm going to fold it into 4 for us to start our measurements. I'm trying to arrange it well, and don't forget the fabric that I'm using crepe fabric to achieve today's tie. And it's a very simple style that we are making today. It's a unique style. It's an off-shoulder top that we are going to make, and it's going to have basket effect on it. Then I will be drawing a straight line for us to start our measurement. So I'm through with that. I'm going to subtract 4 inches from my tape to get my half length, which is by 15 inches. Don't forget it's an off-shoulder top that is going to have basket effect on it. So that's my half length, which is by 15 inches. So I subtracted 4 inches from my tape before taking my half length, which is by 15 inches. So I'm going to draw a straight line. So that's for the half length. Okay, after that I'll be adding 1 inch for my zipper. So I'm trying to show you guys that I folded my fabric in 4, so that's my 1 inch for my zipper allowance. So this style that I'm making today is a simple style that you can cut and sew on your own. So I want you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end, and don't forget to subscribe please. So I'm going to mark 3 inches for my neck measurement. That's my neck measurement. Okay, so while my armhole area is by 1 inch, then I'll be curving the line. So that's for my armhole curve. My bust point is around my armhole line, so I'm going to go by 34 inches for my bust. Then I'm going to add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. I'll be going back to my half length area to get my waist measurement, which is by 27 inches. Then I'm going to also add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. While the length of my top is by 23 inches, so that's my 23 inches that I'm measuring for the length of my top. So after that, I'm going to draw a straight line for the length measurement. That's for the hemline area. At this point, I'm going to go by 40 inches for the hip measurement. Then I'm going to add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. After that, I'm going to connect all the lines now together. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share this tutorial with your friends. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. So guys, just keep on watching, and don't forget it's going to have basket effect on it. You can see how neat and how simple my fabric is and the style that I'm making today. So to get my basket effect, I'll be placing my tape on the hemline area. I'm going to mark 3.5 inches. So after that, I'll be using my ruler to draw a line like this to get the shape. Okay, so you can see the way I'm placing my ruler. You can see the place I place my ruler at the sharp edge of my fabric, then I now gave a small curve at the upper side of the fabric to get the basket effect. So if you don't understand this tutorial, there's no problem, please you can watch it again. My top has a straight neck, so that's what I'm doing now. So I'm giving a curve, so I'm curving my armhole very well. So it's a straight neck that my top has. And don't forget, it also have basket effect at the bottom of the top. So I'm through with my measurements, so I'm going to go ahead now to cut it out. So guys, my particular top that I'm making does not have bustier on it, while the cover picture it has bustier, so mine is not going to have that, but we are going to achieve the same thing. And I want you to keep on watching this tutorial, and don't forget to turn notification bell to get to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. And you can also share this tutorial with your friends. So after watching this particular tutorial, I believe you are going to cut your own by yourself, because the way and the method I'm using to cut this particular style that I'm making today is very simple for you to understand. Like I said, you can watch it again if you don't understand it, so that you'll be able to cut and sew this style. It's a unique style and it's a trendy style that is trending all over the world, and I want you to have one. I want you to wear it after making it. You can wear it on your jean, on your high waist skirts, and you can also wear it out on your plain trouser that you'll be making for yourself. So please keep on watching to the end, guys. I'm through with the stitching. I've stitched the front part, so right now I'll be dividing my measurement by 2 because I'm joining my fabrics together. So my bust is by 34 inches, so I'm going to divide it by 2. So after dividing it, I'm having a 17 inches, which is for the bust. Okay, so that's how I'm going to stitch it. So I'm going to follow the chalk that I'm marking when stitching it. I will also come to my waist measurement and divide it by 2, and my waist is by 27 inches. So after dividing it by 2, I'm having 13.5 inches. So I'm going to also follow the pattern when stitching it. So after that, I'll be dividing my hip also by 2. Don't forget my hip is by 40, so after dividing it by 2, I'm having 20 inches. So why I'm dividing it by 2 is because I'm joining my fabrics together. So I'm going to connect the lines, that is the chalk, together from my bust. I'm going to connect it to my waist. From my waist, I'm going to take it down to my hip measurement. Okay, so that's how I'm going to stitch it when stitching it together. So you can see that it's very simple to cut and sew this tie, and also to join the body parts together. If only you can watch this video to the end, so that you'll be able to understand it more better. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay, so guys, please, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so after this part, I'm going to also join the front and the back together, so we are going to see it. So after that, we are going to wear it, but I'm not going to wear it out, but you can wear your own after joining it together. Now my simple basket top is ready. It has a basket effect at the waistline. I know you want me to continue. See, I have to stop. I'm not lazy, I'm just on energy saving mode. Clap for me, guys. I want you to spread love across, okay? Basket waistline top on point. Yes, I believe you can make one for yourself after watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe now, share, like, and comment, and you can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.